Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to new video. In today's video I am going to show a website which is made on Node.js and Supabase database, and also you can use MySQL or PostgreSQL, but MySQL is not recommended because it's bit slower than others. And in this website you can edit anything, and you can use this website for mini e-commerce site or a gaming top-up site or selling any kind of subscription, and it's fully editable like anything. Like if I want to edit this section and remove the region field, also I can do that. Just go to the ppm meta field and remove the region section, and if I reload the website or go to the site, that I can see the region section is removed. Now only player ID is required. That's mean it's removed properly, and the checkout process is simple and easy. For example, just product select variation, select payment method and apply coupon or not, then checkout buy now. Everything in single page. Just scroll and complete your order in few seconds, or it's bit faster, and you can edit anything from admin panel. Like you can create coupon, create public coupon, private coupon. For example, if I want to create a coupon with public or private privacy, if I create in private, that only admin can see and user will not see in page. Only user can use this coupon who have this. For example, I am creating a coupon with name test and giving some discount like 15 taka fixed amount, and select any expiry date, etc. Another things, you can set any custom currency for your website, so don't worry about that. Currently is in Taka or Bangladeshi currency. You can change it to anytime from settings menu to any currency like USD or INR, etc. And I created a public coupon, and you can see the coupon is showing under the coupon section. And also you can, for buy now, just click the buy now button and it show processing and order is completed. And now order is successful. But if you added the automated top-up API, then the order will completed automatically. Now it's showing pending, so let me complete it from admin panel manually. But if you add any kind of API or any kind of auto top-up system, that it will automatically complete the order and diamond will be automatically sent. Also you can connect API from me, I also do that, no worry. And also you can add any ppm verifier, etc. And order section, you can see the full order history with full details like monthly order, total spent, etc. Also you can add money from your wallet, like just click three dot and select wallet and add fund. Add fund section, you can add custom fund or anything. And this website is in development, so you can see something extra or hazy, so don't worry about this. I will complete this all things which is not still completed. And admin panel, you can get many option, many editable option, full in control. To check the whole website features, watch the video till end, and I am not going to talk anymore. Please watch the video till end, and if you have any complaint or if you have anything to say, that you can contact me on my WhatsApp.